Crayola 2-in-1 Doodle Board, double the fun, zero the mess, travel-friendly creativity for kids. Meet the Crayola 2-in-1 Doodle Board, the ultimate toddler drawing tablet that's twice the fun and none of the mess. This genius art toy features a sealed gel surface on one side for tactile, mess-free doodles and a reusable drawing surface on the other. Paired with washable markers, it's the perfect combo to let your little Picasso create again and again, without leaving your walls looking like a crime scene. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The Double Doodle Board isn't just a drawing toy, it's a developmental powerhouse. It helps toddlers sharpen motor skills, stimulate sensory exploration, and unleash their imagination, all while keeping cleanup stress-free. Compact and lightweight, it's the perfect travel buddy for road trips, airplane rides, or anywhere creativity strikes. No batteries, no noise, just pure artistic bliss. With its built-in marker holder and durable design, this board is crafted for convenience and longevity. Parents will love the easy-to-clean gel surface and washable markers that rinse effortlessly from skin, clothing, and walls. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this board stands up to toddler tumbles, ensuring years of creative play. Plus, it's non-toxic and safe for kids 3 and up, making it a no-brainer addition to your toddler's toy collection. This doodle board doesn't just save your sanity, it saves money too. Skip the endless stacks of paper and invest in a reusable masterpiece machine. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or back-to-school surprises, it's an affordable way to keep your kids entertained while boosting their learning. The sleek, space-saving design ensures it fits effortlessly into any bag or playroom. Why is the Crayola 2-in-1 Doodle Board a must-have? It's fun, functional, and downright fabulous. From tactile gel doodles to smooth marker creations, it transforms everyday play into a hands-on educational adventure. Whether at home or on the go, it's the perfect gift to spark endless creativity and keep your budding artist happy for hours.